Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 BMW 118i. Now of course you do get full LED headlights, daytime running lights. You then also get front parking sensors. You get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels which have all been freshly refurbished as part of this vehicle's preparation process. I will go into each and every one just so that you can get a good idea of the design pattern that you do get on these alloys. Around to the rear now, we've also got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera at the top there. Then of course with this having the packs that it does, you'll see that we do have a full electric opening tailgate. You've got 60/40 split folding rear seats which will fold flat with the boot floor, and then to lower the tailgate simply tap the button at the top and it will drop down like so. Then coming around again, showing you the rear alloy here. In the back now we've got full black leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got your blue M Sport stitching. You've got full keyless entry and start. You've got electric driver's seat with memory function as well. Then we've got your automatic gearbox, sports, comfort, eco pro mode, engine start. You've got your iDrive controls just here. Media controls are along the bottom. Climate settings are just here as well. Here we have the iDrive. As you can see, we've got your various audio sources just here. To the left, you've got radio, Spotify, Bluetooth, screen mirroring. You also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've got satellite navigation as well. And then over to the steering wheel, we've got your cruise control on the left with your speed limiter. Over to the right, you've got your onboard computer controls with voice assistant, Bluetooth hands-free, track select. Heated steering wheel button is just here. You've then, as you can see, you've got your onboard computer controls on the indicator. Over to the middle now, we do of course have your digital display. As you can see, you've then got, as you can see just here on the right, this car has done 27,870 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this BMW 118i, please don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.